morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Very good. Now, this is your English class and we are going to start another topic in grammar. As you can see, it's written here, the perfect continuous tense. This is another chapter of your book, chapter number 10, the perfect continuous tense. What is perfect continuous tense? It is the combination of perfect and continuous tense. See, we have done, there are 4 parts of tenses: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, so this is the last one. It is made up with the combination of perfect and continuous. That is why it is known as perfect continuous tense. Okay, what is it now? See, it tells about an action that began at some point and is still continuing. Means very simple, it tells us about an action which started at some fixed point in past somewhere and that action is still continuing, it's going on. So that type of tense is known as perfect continuous tense. Means an action wo shuru hua at some point, okay, and it is still going on, it is still in continuation, it has not finished, it is still in continuation. So this is known as perfect continuous tense. Okay, now it works in all the 3 tenses: present, past and future. We say present perfect continuous tense, then past perfect continuous tense and then future perfect continuous tense. Okay, first we will start with present perfect continuous tense. What is the rule? It is made up of perfect, as I told you, it is made up of the combination of perfect and continuous tense. Okay, perfect may we use, see, this is perfect and this is the rule of perfect. Has, use of has or have. This has is used with singular and this is used with plural. Okay, and what else? I and you, we. ठीक है, then comes continuous. Continuous का rule क्या था? Add of ing, addition of ing. This is what? Main verb, principal verb. ठीक है, with that what do we add? ing, and in between we have to add one thing, one form of verb, that is being. Remember, see, this side is perfect, this side is perfect and this side is continuous. Okay, इन दोनों को ऐड करने के लिए we need one verb and that is known as been. So this makes the rule of present perfect continuous tense. ठीक है, present perfect continuous tense. This is has have. They shows the present tense. Has and have. Has is used with singular. Have is used with plural. I, you and we. Okay. Main verb, principal verb which you call, plus ing. Okay. And to connect these two, इन दोनों को जोड़ने के लिए we need to add been. B-E-E-N, been. So this is known as present perfect continuous tense. Now you will understand it with the help of an example which I am going to give you. For example, he has been missing for 6 hours. See this example. He has been missing for 6 hours. Now see, this is the subject, it's one singular. Has, the rule is applying now. Now we are applying the rule over here. Been, okay. Miss. Miss is the main verb. We have added ing. It has become missing. For 6 hours. Now for 6 hours he has been missing. Now the missing started at before 6 hours. 6 घंटे पहले से वो miss है और अभी तक he is missing. He has not been found. वो मिला नहीं अभी तक. So in this type of situation, what do? We have to tell the time also. Accordingly, we have to tell the time also, that for how many hours या from where the place is, if there is any particular place, because according to the rule it shows that an action it began at some point or time and is still continuing. Okay, so he has been missing for 6 hours. 6 घंटे से वो miss है और अभी तक वो मिला नहीं है. So this action was happened in past and it is still continuing. Okay, this action happened in past and it is still continuing. So this is known as present perfect continuous tense. Okay students? Okay.